As we marched right into Turin, it was a sight to see. A giant little man with a hammer in his hand and a people he would free. And all around him on the ground in fatal disarray lay children of light and Sherlock style who all had passed away. Make it one for Randolph, for the dragon who's reborn, and one for the men who will not yield. Make it one for the family dear, I won't have time to mourn, and one for the blacksmith of Emond's field. We came from heaven right in haste to save the people here, and found 200 suffering men drowning in their fear. And after met a wolf like them with golden blazing eyes, fought like a dog, slaughtered in blood, surrounded by black flies. Make it one for Randolph, for the dragon who's reborn, and one for the men who will not yield. Will not yield. Make it one for the family dear, I won't have time to mourn, and one for the blacksmith of Emond's field. In Emond's field there lived a boy away from the dark lord's door, until he and his loyal friends fled from a cruel horde. But when he heard that white crooks both threatened his family, he gouged his men to help his friends and murder naturally. Make it one for Randolph, for the dragon who's reborn, and one for the men who will not yield. Make it one for the family dear, I won't have time to mourn, and one for the blacksmith of Emond's field. Lazy journey home, but sorrow there he found. By white folks slain, his home was pushed, his family in the ground. The blacksmith reached for his magic sledge, and he took off practice swing. And the woman down had to renders, they could hear the Sherlock scream. Make it one for Randolph, for the dragon who's reborn, and one for the men who will not yield. Will not yield. Make it one for the family dear, I won't have time to mourn, and one for the blacksmith of Emond's field. Yes, it's one for Randolph, for the dragon who's reborn, and one for the men who will not yield. Will not yield. And it's one for the family dear, I won't have time to mourn, and I'll not forget the blacksmith of Emond's field. I'm singing the Stan song.
I'm Stan, I was wrong.
I'm singing the Stan song. I should have taken that chance. Alright, we're recording.
It's recording.
Okay, let me get back to the beginning. Okay.